Okay, so now I've got my dough, and my next step is to cut circles out of my dough here. And this here is just an example of some circle cutters that you can find common in different culinary stores. I think Williams-Sonoma also might carry them. But you want to keep in mind that you want a good sized circle. And the reason is we're going to be folding it and filling it with product and folding it in half. So you want to make sure that it's a good size. So I'm just going to start on one corner, and I want to try and save as much dough as I possibly can. And I'm just going to press down and then turn. And I'm going to set it aside. And don't worry if it pulls a little bit, like this is doing here. That's okay. We just pull it away. There. And I don't have enough room for one there, so we'll just come over here. And if you don't have any of these big circle cutters, you can use the bottom of a coffee tin. You can use a cup, maybe, or a large wine glass. Use the base of it. And it looks like I can get one more out of here. Perfect. So this sheet of dough is going to yield me about 6 large empanadas. And this extra dough you can save if you want to brush it with a little bit of butter and cinnamon and sugar and pop it in the oven. It's really good.